All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just installed new headlight covers, and I'm going to teach you how to calibrate them here. My friend Sham told me about this. So first of all, what you're going to need is some masking tape or some sort of tape, like painter's tape, that you can mark on the wall in front of you, about 25 feet in front. So what I've done now is I have measured my emblem at the center of my vehicle right here. So you can see in the center here, and I've marked 25 feet down on the floor out towards the garage in front of me. And I have used the same exact height as what you'll see on the new headlights. There's a tiny little dot right here, and that little dot indicates where the headlight level is. So take a dry erase marker, I'm gonna highlight that right there so I can measure using my tape measure the height of that dot. So here it is. And if I go down here to the floor, then it measures at around 29 inches. So 29 inches off of the floor. I'm gonna go to my wall and I'm gonna measure 29 inches up from the floor. Here it is. And you can see what I've done here is I've marked it using a Sharpie. I've also measured the width of my headlamps to be about 52 inches apart. So that's 26 on each side. So I measured 26 inches from there to here. And it comes out to be around this mark right here, that little marking. I measured down by about 2 inches on the right-hand side because you want your lights to be able to not blind anyone on the right-hand side, but also give you some extra visibility, anything coming out of the woods on the right-hand side. On the driver's side, you want to go down 4 inches. So I've taken, again, from my center line across on the outside, that's 26 on the outside width, and I've measured down 4 inches. All right, so now we get to adjust using our little wrench. So we'll pop the hood here, put the sucker up, and inside of the, just inside of the engine, little casing here, not sure if you can see it with the night, but there's a little adjuster that you're going to use, a wrench. So I'll take my wrench here and going to adjust this little knob right there. Sometimes it's an Allen wrench, sometimes it requires a screwdriver, but in order to make sure you know which of the headlights is making the adjustment, then you're going to want to put a towel or something over top of the headlamp that you're not adjusting so you don't get the interference. So I'm going to cover up that and you can see the difference. So that's uncovered and that there is covered. So once you have covered up one side, then you can adjust the other and you can see it lower and heighten above that line there. And you can see pretty clearly where that is. I use the tape just to indicate where the light, and you can see right now I've adjusted it here where it's right along that line that's 2 inches below horizontal, and then on the left side, driver's side, it is now 4 inches below horizontal. So that is how you adjust your new headlight fixtures. Hope that helps.